say if it's the end of COVID. I know that it looks very encouraging with how the numbers are trending down.
Michigan may be at a turning point in the fight against COVID. For the past 3 months, the state has experienced a steady rise in cases.
But it may be past its peak. Today, the state reported nearly 8,000 new cases over the past 2 days. But the 7-day average appears to be dropping.
A CMU infectious disease expert tells TV5's James Felton that while the short-term outlook is improving, long-term, COVID is likely to stick around.
The reported data per the CDC and the state officials as well show a decline in the overall number of cases across the United States in general, which is very good news.
Infectious disease expert Dr. Nicholas Haddad talking about the steady decline of COVID-19 cases throughout the country and here in Michigan. The falling numbers raising optimism that the Delta surge may be done with us. Haddad thinks it's too early to know for sure, telling us COVID-19 patterns have been hard to predict throughout the pandemic.
It's hard to say if it's the end of Delta. It's hard to say if it's the end of COVID. I know that it looks very encouraging with how the numbers are trending down.
Haddad believes Delta and COVID will stick around in some form even after we emerge from the pandemic.
They are going to go away or become just normal viruses in a respiratory season. They will not disappear.
In the meantime, Haddad is urging people to get vaccinated for the flu.
I think when COVID goes away or improves, flu will come back. We had a mild flu season last year. I think we may have it will be worse this year because people are mingling back together. So I would advise people to be careful, not to get worried, but also to get vaccinated.
James Felton, WNEM, TV5.
Since the pandemic was declared in March of last year, Michigan has reported more than 1,120,000 confirmed cases of COVID.